I just discovered this great website that lets you use and even create your own AI agents for generating images, content creation, and different types of research. The best part is this tool is free. In this quick video, I'll show you how to get started with using it. I'll also show you how to quickly build your own AI agents without complicated coding or API keys. I'm the Techpreneur. To get started with Agent AI, head over there. You can either sign up or log in. If you click on sign up, you can sign up through Google if you like. You'll see the main dashboard. The main areas you really need to care about are the agent network, where you can see a list of all of the available agents. You can also directly type agents to look for them. Over here we have the builder network, which shows you a number of the people who build the agents as well. It's also a great place to connect, and they have the agent builder, which we're going to look at later as well. Stay tuned for this part because it's super cool. We're going to create our own basic agents. Let's look at a couple of quick agents to show you what it is capable of. The first one we're going to look at is the Flux image generator, and the great thing is you can directly interact with the agent without having to go to another website. Yeah, let's just create a simple tree. It's generating. This doesn't look half bad. It's still AI. And I wonder if we can, okay, yeah, it lets you download it. The other one we're going to look at very quickly. Let's look at this one. It's an ideal customer profile. What this ideal customer profile lets you do is it lets you to describe your ideal customer, who they are, what they're after, and then it gives you a good description of it. So this is the ideal client that we're after. Let's see what it comes up with. Alright, I never specified CAD technician. It's pretty good actually. Like you give it a few sentences and it generates something fairly detailed for you. I can see this saving people a lot of time. The only thing I'm wondering is where are my credits, because they kind of mention it here somewhere. If you use it, you lose credits, but it doesn't really show you where the credits are. Let's ask it to quickly generate a professional stock photo. If we click on go, now as a trick for you all, whenever I'm working on these kinds of things, the credit for these websites is limited. What I like to do is I like to let ChatGPT generate a professional prompt for me, and I just paste it in. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. I am really curious how this will do. Let's try this again. Maybe we shouldn't make the prompt too long. Okay, I think that originally our prompt was too long. If we zoom in, it doesn't look half bad, to be honest with you. Now, the next thing we're going to look at is a news aggregator website. If we go in here, you can just again like connect with the agent itself. Let's look for Wall Street in the next week. Let's have a look at this one, everyone. I wonder what actions are. Okay, we can save, copy. Oh, this is really cool. Play audio. Okay, this doesn't work. I think it does a pretty good job, because as of the 22nd of March, when this video is being recorded, Donald Trump is doing a lot of stuff with the stock market, so this kind of makes sense. I like the fact that organized in a really good way, so it sort of tells you everything you need to know all in one place. Let's do another quick example. It's a real shame there's no button to go back. I wonder what examples are. Okay, that's nice actually, that it already has like a group of selected stuff, so this agent knows who its audience is. Let's check out the fashion industry. Midlife market potential. That's interesting actually. 50 demographics. Yeah, I think it does a pretty good job, but you do have to be pretty specific at what you want. There's a really light-hearted one as well I want to show you guys. Again, it's like it needs a better interface basically, because this is kind of way too basic. Let's check out the meme maker. Automatically generates funny on-trend memes. I can't wait to see what this actually generates. I mean, everyone's talking about Trump's trade war, or the newest insane thing he's talking about. Okay, yeah, this is hilarious. Let's make another one. Again, this thing sucks a bit because that previous app was actually better than this one, because in that one you could like see a list of the topics. But let's write Trump and Canada, because I'm genuinely curious. All my homies hate being asked if they know Trump when visited Canada. Let's look at one more AI agent, and then we're gonna create our own AI agent, and I'll tell you guys my final thoughts. Oh, and by the way, if you run your own startup, submit it below if you want to get reviewed on this channel. What agent we want to look at? Okay, let's do an industry analysis. I don't really know anything about the credits part. Like, I honestly can't find it, and I don't know if it's like something new, but it's kind of misleading to the users, you could say. It's loading the agents. Okay, I like the fact that they do have, let's do the CRM one, which if you don't know, it means client relationship management database. these companies, they have like a list of you and they segment you into different stuff, age, demographic. This is not so bad either. Imagine how much time this can save someone. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys that this agent exists. Now we're going to create our own AI agent. Head to the Agent Builder tab over here. Once you are here, first let's have a quick look at the dashboard. The agents that we used, all of them, you can clone them actually, and you can run them again if you want. You can also delete them as well, which is really great. Now, if we click Create Agent, you have this panel over here, and you can either call on LLM, chat with your files, chat with a website, and research a company. Let's use the call on LLM. Okay, so it's creating the agent. Let's call this agent YouTube Trends Research. This researches trends on YouTube. Let's choose a tag, maybe, yeah, let's just marketing. Okay, if we go to trigger, enable agent via email, that's really cool actually. Okay, yeah, I think we're just going to go with the manual one for today. And if we go to actions, okay, I'm just going to leave all this parts here, but let's see what happens if we click on add an action, get Twitter users. It is a fairly comprehensive system. Run process. Okay, if we just publish these changes, actually we can just test it first. Okay, that's disappointing. Maybe I need to publish it first. Let's run. What would you like to ask the LLM? Let's ask it, what are the latest YouTube trends currently? I wonder what this will come up with. Our own AI agent that we built. Okay, AI and content creation, AI. And so yeah, that's basically in a nutshell how to build your own AI agent. And that was Agent AI, everyone. A great place to build your own agents, and also a really great place to use many agents. It seems to be a bit limited in what it can do right now, especially with what you saw with the interface, and also with like the core functionality itself on that. It can definitely search the internet, but it all feels pretty formatted. But maybe because we didn't have time to properly look at everything. But from what I saw, it definitely has a lot of potential. And you can definitely see it there, like with the persona builder, with the industry analysis, with the image generation, for example. I think whoever built it needs to really narrow down the type of agents they can do, the type of stuff they can work on, and also they need to narrow down like how people use it, especially with the interface, because it feels a bit dated, and I think the interface is the biggest issue. But despite all of the stuff, I definitely think it's something everyone should use because it's really great. Like, it's the easiest way to build an agent just like that. Like, if you go to Google right now, type in how to build an AI agent, and you get a billion answers that just go over your head. But here, it's the easiest way I actually found to build an AI agent. And you saw that in the way we did it together. So yeah, those are my final thoughts about Agent AI. Let me know, what do you guys think about it? Did you like it? Did you not like it? And I've got a small favor to ask. If you're still here in this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. It helps out the channel so much. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.